Hey guys, Chris from Chris's house here. Blake brought in this Bandit, or Tidnab, if you read things backwards.
What the hell are you talking about?
It's making a funny sound.
Help me! Help me! Help me!
That's not normal, okay? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to charge Balaki's battery here because, hey, drop cars off for service. Isn't it nice when you pick them up and everything's all friggin' charged up, ready to go?
Marty, here's your keys. You're all waxed up, ready for tonight.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Ooh, let us get...
Help me!
Yeah, so let us get tearing into it. Let's do a little time-lapsey lapse, okay? Let's figure it out, and we're going to show you what's going on. Okay, so shortest time lapse ever. It needs a spur gear. It sounded like it was more than that, but judging by the condition of the vehicle, everything was minty. Not a lot of stuff missing a wheel pin. We're gonna replace the spur gear in your. Who the heck is that? Good afternoon, Chris. How can I help you?
It's
Traxxas, yes. So we can slap a little shaft. Friggin' sweet. We can definitely do that for you. That's fine. All right, thanks, buddy. Okay, all right, goodbye. Damn customers ordering stuff from us. It's good. I didn't even get his name. Nice guy. Traxxas, and Traxxas we trust. So let's do a little video on how to replace the spur gear. Yeah, it's actually really straightforward. But if you've never done it, it's not straightforward. You know, it's funny. We get a lot of questions over the years, and guys are like, "Oh yeah, so how difficult is this?" Well, I don't friggin' know how. You know. How technically inclined are you, or mechanically inclined, right? It takes it's a lot, and how much experience you are. You know, I can look at an RC car and usually figure it out. Sometimes I get stumped too, right? So let's do a video. Let's show you what's up. First thing, let's get this gear off. So this is an M. I think this is the 2.5. Yeah, 2.5 little MIP driver. Hey MIP, when you like sponsor our videos or something, because we give you a shout every time, just send me some free stuff. Cause ooh, it's grabbing my fingers. There it is, little thread lock on there. So what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the gear. Now the gear's no good anymore, so I mean there's a few ways you could do this. If you want to do it in a way that's going to save your fingers a bit, what you could do, just grab like a blue shop cloth or shop rag, just ram it on the gear, okay, and then just take off these 3 screws. There's 3 screws that go in the gear. If you use the shop cloth, it just saves your fingers a little bit, okay? And yes, you can use hand tools for this, that's fine. So let's take these screws out. 1 screw, 2 screw. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream, okay? Now getting this gear off can be a little bit of a... So I'm going to use a small screwdriver. It's kind of a big one. Doesn't matter what you use, okay? So I'm just going to put it inside. And what I like to do is I like to just give it a little bit of a twist. So I just twist, and it pops the gear up, and then I'll rotate it like 90 degrees, twist, okay? So I'm just putting it between the plate here and putting it between the gear and just give it a little twist, okay? That comes right off. Boom, done. And let's inspect this. The clutch plates look really good in there. The clutch pads, everything is super smooth. We're going to put on 83 tooth for them. You know, they're fine, 83, 86, whatever. It's all so simple, right? So now before I put this on, let's clean out all the debris.
What the hell are you talking about?
Okay, we don't like debris. We don't want that.
Who are you talking to?
You can just use an old brush. So this is what my toothbrush looks like after I use it for a week on my teeth.
Gingivitis.
I'm just kidding. I don't brush my teeth. So let's put the gear in there. Good. Now, the real culprit why this happened is this motor actually loosened off. So I'm going to show you that real quick too, okay? I'm going to use a hand dryer for this. MIP, sendmefreestuff.com. Okay. And then we're just going to put in 1 screw at a time. I just like to start them all, okay? You know, a lot of guys like start to go full ham and, you know, I don't know, just start getting quick on things. We're just putting a little dab of thread lock on there, okay? Good. And again, what we can do here is just get them like kind of hand tight. Because we're threading into metal. That's why I like to use thread lock. It's so simple, okay? And let's put the little shop cloth in there and let's start tightening these up. till it kind of bottoms out. Now, I like to call this hand tight. I'm using hand. Finger tight, you know, finger tight, hand tight, okay, is when you're gripping the screwdriver with your full hand, okay? And let's do the next one here. Good. Let's do the last one here. And you're good. Life is good. We're going to rotate it. Everything looks good. So, this screw here, there's 2 screws right here. And so, we want to adjust the gear mesh. And one of these, yeah, that came out pretty easy. That one actually still feels okay. So, what we're going to do here, we're going to take this screw out. These are pretty cool screws. They have like a washer built in them. And what's really nice about that is basically it distributes the force of the screw over a larger area. And that just means that it doesn't move around as much, okay? So the big one we want here is we want to make sure this bottom one's really Loctited up, okay? The top one's fine. You know, let's just do the top one while we're at it, okay? And also, I think that friggin' gear gets in the way. It does. So I'm gonna cheat. I'm just gonna put a little drop of thread lock in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get that tightened down. And that's all you need for this, anyways. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up any excess thread lock. We don't need that getting everywhere. So we just want to make sure some thread locks on the screws. Okay. And yes, I know I should take the gear off and I should do this. That's okay. We're giving you a topical video here, okay? You're going to make it. You're going to make it. So ideally, we want to take each one out. But the top one is really stationary. Like, it's not really moving around too much. So it really is just, you know, make sure that one's tightened up. Even if it loosens up, it's generally not the culprit. The culprit's this bottom one, okay? Now, what's really cool, if you can see in here, the reflection, it actually gives you an outline of where the screw is naturally tightened. So if you're not changing the spur gear to a larger amount of teeth, you can essentially just find out where that is. I still don't like that. It's not far enough. So we're gonna go full manual here, okay? And what I like to do is hold the pinion gear and move your spur gear, okay? Now we're getting just a little bit of, it's a little too tight, okay? So ideally what we want, that's good. Now it's hard to hear, but we want to just move this big one just a hair. It's so minimal, okay? It's so minimal. And let's rotate it 180 degrees. Let's do it again. Good, good. We just have a little bit there, okay? Just a little bit of lash. You know, a lot of guys are really concerned with, you know, using paper and stuff. Well, guess what? Paper comes in all different thicknesses, comes in different compounds, made out of different materials. It's very hard to be consistent. So if you can see here, just watch. Just moving that big gear, just a hair of a hair of a hair. And you'll get it, because it's either going to be too tight and, you know, there's going to be no flexibility, or you're just going to get this just a little bit and you're golden. Run like gold. And guess what? Everything's good in there. That's it. And we're ready to rock and roll. Yeah. Okay. So he's got these bushings in there. Those are smelly doo-doo.
Oh, that's nasty.
Damn it. Who's this? Who is this?
Hello, Chris. How can I help you?
Give me about 10 minutes. Yep. Sorry. Go on. Thanks, buddy. Okay. All right. All right. You guys can verify. I said 1520. Hey, he's a nice guy. Hey, Todd, can I give you a call back in about 10 minutes, buddy? All right, thanks, buddy. Okay, all right, bye. Todd, unbelievable. Just kidding. You guys wish... Here, check this out, check it out. You guys wish you had a friggin' this bin. Look at this, look at this. Just a treasure trove of crap. It's good. Okay, let's get back to the video. All the connectors and stuff. Good. Okay, we're almost done. Wrong size wheel pin. Damn it. There, good. I stole it off a Red Cat. Thanks, Red Cats. Where the hell is the wheel nut? Okay, and that is... Okay, good. Always just check the fronts. Good. So I was charging this guy's battery here, so still needs a good final charge here, but let's just throw her in. We're doing this right on the fly. I haven't pre-tested anything, so pretty confident here. I know what's up. Turn on, just explodes. And yes! Do a burnout! All right, it's enough. Oh, it's nice. Okay, we're good. That's it. So I'm going to give Balaki a call, tell him he is good to go. We're just going to go over a little final... Oh, I see something else. Look, bent turnbuckle there. We'll just straighten that out for him. That's it, guys. How to change a Spur gear, how to check for transmission sound, stuff like that. And really a lot of it's just using your ears, just listening to stuff. That's it. Okay, I'm going to get Dan his parts. You guys have a great day. A great day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the content. We'll put out more of these videos. A little off the cuff, but this is life. This is RC. This is Chris's house. Every day. Bye!